how to connect AirPods to PS4. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm about to show you how to connect your AirPods to your PlayStation 4 Pro. Now, it doesn't matter if you have a older model PlayStation or older model AirPods. This should work either way. All right. Now, this video is going to be a little long because I'm going to break it down step by step so that you guys can understand everything I do in this video. And all you have to do is follow along and you should be able to connect your AirPods to your PlayStation 4 console with no problem. All right. Now, before I get into this video, let me mention that I do giveaways here on my YouTube channel. As you can see, I got gift cards. I give away Xbox Live Gold gift cards. I give away PlayStation Plus gift cards, Roblox gift cards, V-Bucks, and much, much more. All you have to do is show up to my live if you want to be a part of the giveaway. So make sure you hit that notification bell and hit that subscribe button. And yeah, but anyway, so as you can see here, the number one piece you guys are going to need in order for this to work, in order for you to do this, hold on. The number one piece you guys are going to need is this right here. And I know you probably looking like, what is that? What the heck is that? What am I going to do with that? Check this out, man. This is an audio USB device. And what it's going to allow you to do is connect your AirPods to your PlayStation 4 through the USB port. So this piece is very important in order to make this happen. Now, if you want to get this piece, it will be a link in the description where you can go ahead and order it. But check this out. You need to have this in order for this to work. So, step number one, when they send you this in the mail, open it up and connect it just like I got it here. You plug the USB into this white cord, and then you plug this white cord into your PlayStation 4 console, as you can see there. All right, that's step number one. Make sure y'all do that. Now, step number two. Once you have plugged this into your PlayStation, you want to grab your controller, your PlayStation 4 controller, and you want to go over, let me show you. You want to go over to where it says settings. All right, go over here to settings right there. That suitcase right there, settings. All right. You click X on settings. Then once you get on settings, you're going to go down to devices. Go to devices. You click on devices. All right. Now that you're on devices, all you have to do now is go down to audio devices. Now, once you click audio devices, you're going to go to output device. All right. Now look, you see the screen? It says USB headset Aventry Leaf. That is the name of this USB thing right here. Now, what it is basically telling your PlayStation, now your PlayStation is viewing this as a actual headset. Okay, so that was step number two. Here's what you're going to do now once you did this part. You are going to pick up your AirPods. Let me be careful. Make sure that the earbuds are still in the case. You want to keep the earbuds inside of the case. Turn the turn this around. All right. Well, no. Make sure the earbuds are in the case. But what you want to do is you want to push the button on this USB right here. See that button that's lighting up? Hold on, let me show you. Hold on, y'all. You're going to hold this button down right here. See that button? It says pair. It says pair. Can y'all read that? It says pair, P-A-I-R. Y'all could barely see it, but it says pair. You're going to hold it down until it blinks. All right. See it blinking? All right. That means that it's in pair mode. Once that's on pair mode, you're going to get your AirPods and you're going to hold it down, hold the button on the back of your AirPods down. And you should see the light trying to pair in the front. As you can see, it's trying to pair to the Bluetooth device. So it's in pair mode. All right. Oh, God, dog it, I hate closing those things. All right, so I closed my AirPods. But anyway, I don't want to open them because if I open them, then this phone is going to stop recording. So I'm going to leave them closed. But they are connected to this thing right here now. So now that it's connected, guys, if I was to put these AirPods in my ear, I would be able to hear my PlayStation gameplay through my AirPods. All right? And that's how you connect your AirPods to your PlayStation 4 console. Okay? Now, now that you did that part, let me go back. So let me go back again. So now that you did that, if you play your video games, if I was to go play Fortnite right now, or if I was to go and play Grand Theft Auto and try to make $1 million on Grand Theft Auto, or even get the new car from the, y'all know what I mean. If I was to turn on mods and play Grand Theft Auto or something, I'm gonna be able to hear my gameplay, okay? So not only can you hear the gameplay, but if you go to YouTube or any other app on your PlayStation, you're gonna be able to hear the audio inside of your AirPods. So it should work. Now, let me say this. Now that I showed you guys how to connect your AirPods to your PlayStation 4 console, can y'all do me a huge favor? It will help this channel grow a whole lot. It's something simple. Give this video a thumbs up. I will highly appreciate it if y'all do that. That will help this channel grow, and the more this channel grows, the more I will provide more content for you guys. All right? I'm glad you guys are here viewing my videos. You guys show me a lot of love and a lot of support, and I enjoy helping you guys out. So check this out. I do these giveaways as a way to give back to you guys because y'all show so much love and so much support on my YouTube channel that I had to find a way to pay you guys back. I had to find a way to give back to you guys. So check this out. I don't think, which one did I scratch off? All right, you see this code right here? It has not been scratched off. What I do is I go live on my YouTube channel and I scratch this code off, and whoever enters it in their Xbox or PlayStation, then you are the person that redeemed the code, okay? It's that simple. You don't have to be subscribed in order to join my giveaways. When I go live, just pop up when I go live, and you should be a part of the giveaway. Now, I would highly recommend that you do subscribe so that YouTube can notify you of when I go live here on YouTube, okay? So now, I try to do giveaways once a month here on my YouTube channel. So if you come to my channel and you don't redeem the code, then it's okay. I will try to do another giveaway next month. All right. And so anytime you guys are playing your PlayStation 4 console and you're looking for a way to get a free PlayStation Plus code, then just know here on my YouTube channel, I give them away. You guys can come visit me anytime and I got you. Simple as that. As you can see, I have a few cards. I will be going back to GameStop. I will be going back to Walmart and getting some Roblox gift cards for you guys, and also some V-Bucks gift cards for you guys, because I know a lot of my viewers play Roblox and a lot of my viewers play Fortnite. So I'm gonna hook y'all up. All right. Anyway, I'm gonna show y'all this one more time. One more time. All right. So look, again, you guys must have this thing right here, this USB. And I'm gonna tell you, I've seen a lot of these dongles. I've seen a lot of these things, right? There's a lot of cheap ones out there. Do not purchase the cheap ones. I'm trying to tell you, you're going to get your quality worth. You know what I'm saying? Like, okay, so for example, if you went to a gaming store and you bought a cheap PlayStation, I guarantee you're going to have problems with that PlayStation because something might be wrong with it, or, it's just cheap. That's like buying a cheap cell phone versus an iPhone. You're going to get what you pay for. So this thing, although it costed me about $30, I feel like I got my money's worth because it works so well. I've heard some people say they bought the cheap versions of these and the game, it just wasn't right. It just wasn't working that good. So I would highly recommend that y'all get this exact kind that I have here in this video. I can't stress that enough, because I do not want y'all blaming me for y'all AirPods not working on your PlayStation. All right, this video is very accurate, and I do not want y'all blaming me if it doesn't work, because it's working on my console. Okay, it works great. All right, I just thought I'd let y'all know that it works great. These AirPods, I haven't tried them. I haven't tried connecting the PlayStation with the older AirPods. Like the older model AirPods, but I'm sure it worked the same. These are the AirPod Pros. It worked real good. The AirPod Pros, I know these work perfectly. All right, I love it. I'll be playing my game when everybody else, for example, if y'all got like kids, a lot of kids or anything at y'all house, y'all know how people be running around your house and stuff making noise. This literally cancels all of that, guys. So in my opinion, I like using my AirPods on my PlayStation more than my actual Bluetooth headsets. I got a pair of Turtle Beach headsets, and I also have a what else? I got Turtle Beach, and I got what else? I got another headset in there. I forgot the name of it. But these guys, AirPods, I like wearing these more than my headsets. Now, one thing I'm going to say in this video, I haven't figured out how to make the mic work just yet. Like, I can hear my gain volume through here, through the AirPods, but I haven't figured out, I don't know why that piece of hair on there. I haven't figured out how to make the microphone work. So when I be talking, I gotta, I don't know if people can hear me or not, but I'm working on that. And when I figure that out, I will be uploading a video letting you guys know exactly how to do that. Okay? But I'm telling you, you're gonna love playing your PlayStation using your AirPods, because when people are in your house and they making noise and you can't hear, this is gonna be like your best friend. Trust me. You put these in, it cancels out all the noise, literally. So I love using my AirPods. All right. Now, again, let me show y'all one more time so that y'all don't get confused. All right. You're going to need this, this, and this. All right. That's only 3 things. Okay. You're going to hook this up to your PlayStation just like I got here, and just hold this button down and pair it with your AirPods. It's going to pair automatically, okay? Once it pairs, you go to the settings like I showed you. Go to settings. You go into, where is it? Network audio. Where's audio? Devices. Go into devices. All right. Go into audio devices. And then see if it's connected. Now, let me check out the microphone level while I'm on here. Adjust microphone level. This is where I think you can adjust the microphone level. But again, guys, I haven't tested the microphone yet, so I don't know if it works with the microphone or not. I'm afraid to open these AirPods here on this video because I don't want it to connect to my cell phone right now. Because if it does, then this video is going to shut off. So, but I am going to try testing out the microphone, but I know that I can hear the volume out of here nice and clear, loud and clear, guys. All right, so, and, oh yeah, sometimes too, let me mention this. Sometimes your AirPods, you can barely hear sound, and if it's like that, you got to charge your AirPods, guys. Because I noticed when my AirPods are low on like the battery juice is low on your AirPods, then you can't really hear the sound coming out of here for real. You can hear it, but it's like real low. So make sure your AirPods are charged up when you do this. All right. But other than that, guys, that's exactly how you do it. Now, again, I'm going to put the links for this in the description. You got to have this. And then at the end of the month, guys, I will be going live here on my YouTube channel, and I will give away one of these gift cards. I'm going to try to go live every month. Now, the main gift cards that I want to give away as well are the Roblox gift cards. I will be getting Roblox gift cards and V-Bucks. I will go shopping, let's see, sometime next month. When next month comes up, so next month, I'm going to go back to Walmart, like I said, and I'm going to purchase some Roblox gift cards. So y'all stay tuned and y'all be ready for that. Y'all stay tuned for that. And anyway, that's it for this video. I'm gonna end it right here because this video is getting kind of long. I just wanted to break down this video, make sure that you guys understand how to connect everything together. And then on top of that, I just wanted to, let you guys know that I appreciate the love and support that you guys give to my videos. Therefore, I want to give back to you guys. All right, I just wanted you guys to know that. But anyway, hopefully this video was helpful. If it helped you out, support the channel by giving it a thumbs up. And I will, I don't know, if y'all got questions, anything y'all want to ask, leave it in the comment sections below. I'm going to see if I can answer as many of you guys' comments as possible. And this is how you connect your AirPods to your PlayStation 4 console. All right. This is in the description if y'all want that. I will see y'all later in the next